Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Andre LeBlanc, New York City camper. Welcome back. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Andre LeBlanc, New York City camper. Welcome back. So today I will be taking a look at this Skmei watch. That's the name of the watch. It's the model is 1361. This is a men's sports watch. Now, as you know, I like the smart watches, but once in a while you got to go back to old school. I was taking a trip and I didn't want anything fancy, and I didn't want to have a smart watch where I would need to charge the watch up if I was out for a long period of time. So I purchased this product from Amazon. Now you can purchase this from Amazon, but they seem to get all the numbers mixed up. So you might want to go to the original website, which is Skmei Skmei watch. But just to let you know about this watch here, the case thickness is 16 millimeters. The bandwidth is 24 millimeters. The wristband length is 265 millimeters. So supposedly this can go to a depth of 50 meters. Haven't tried it yet. Now this doesn't really weigh anything at all. It comes up to a 0.15 kilograms. Now the features of this watch is has 2 times on it. It has a week setting, a day setting, an alarm setting, chrono, the L light, which is what it's called, and it has a 12 and 24-hour clock. Now just to show you some parts of this watch. So here you have the L light button. You press that. If you can see it there, that is the L light button. So that lights up the screen. Here you have the alarm, which is right here. So it's really hard to see. It's basically a picture of a bell or 2 bells. Here's the mode button. That's what you use to change the mode of the watch. So this is what you use to change and set the time and the alarm, etc. Over here you have the stop and start button for the timer. And down here you have the reset button. Now as you see here, this is the time down here. Now it has this analog time here. Only problem is that analog time will cover up the date time. So up here you have the day of the week, and this is the date. And see here, this is like a second timer here. It's a little hard to see. Okay. So like I said, this seems to be a pretty interesting watch. It's old-fashioned, old school. It's not that thick. It's really thin, and the great thing about it is the wristbands is not tight. It's really loose. It's like a thin piece of plastic. Hopefully this will help hold up on my trip, although I don't plan to do any rock climbing or anything like that. So as you see here, seems to be pretty good. I think I'm going to try to turn this off in the dark and see what it looks like. So this may give you a better look of what it looks like. So this is the light. So it's a nice color. You can see it really good. So that is my short review or short look at this Skmei watch. Just to know, let you know it comes in one of these boxes here. Has a nice tin, which now I'm using as a change receptacle. And it comes with this clear plastic top. And it has basic instructions. Like I said, if you go to Amazon, sometimes they get the numbers mixed up, the models mixed up, and there is more than 2 or 3 dozen types of this same watch. So I'll put the links up for both the Amazon as well as the main website. I'm not being sponsored by anyone, but to me it would probably be a lot easier just to go to the main website to get this watch. So thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.